Let's get started. A little bit of walking in place. Some arm circles. And back. Then we'll do some arm swings because we're actually going to do some rows today. So get a little loose. And our two moves will be, we're going to do a lunges with a row, and then we're going to do kind of that modified jumping jack. So first one that we're going to do, right leg forward. So we're going to do a lunge, and then when we come up, we're going to do a row. So we're going to do 12, so coming down to a lunge and back. So really squeezing those shoulder blades back. Nice job. If you need to, for balance, you can take a little bit wider step too. So just widening your base when you come down for that lunge. We got 3 more. 3, 2, last one. Nice job. Then go right into that modified kind of jumping jack here. And then at whatever pace you feel comfortable, if you want to go faster or slower, that's fine. If you want to do just legs, just arms, that works too. Nice job. All right, and then we'll get into that lunge again. So opposite leg when we come in for a lunge. And again, if you need to widen your stance, that works too. Squeezing those shoulder blades back. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Five more. 3, 2, and last one. Nice job. All right, and then some more modified jumping jacks here. Getting the heart rate up today. About 15 more seconds here. Again, go at whatever pace you want. If you want to go faster or slower, that's fine. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Okay, so then we're going to do kind of that hip flexor stretch, so almost back into that lunge, and then leg back, so really stretching that hip flexor. We could also do arm across when we do that as well. Right, and switch, so stretching that hip flexor again, and then arm across. Nice job. Then we're just going to do kind of a side bend here. Stretch our back out this morning. And opposite way. All right, and then one more neck stretch, because I always like to do a neck stretch. And another side. All right, nice job, everyone.